How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do an advanced veiny arm workout step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So this is going to be advanced, you guys. First exercise that we're going to do is going to be arm twists. So this is a great exercise to do. "30 reps, perfect. We're gonna go straight into a squeeze, so get your hands squeezed really, really tight. Hold for 20 seconds. Again, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 10 more seconds, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. We're then gonna move into an arm curl, so just like this. "40 reps, perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do arm circles, so just like this. "30 reps, perfect, quick little break. We're then gonna do twists again. "30, perfect, quick little break. And then we're gonna end it with squeezes. So squeeze really, really tight. Hold this. Again, squeeze super, super tight. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.